back. I hope you all are having an amazing day. Happy September 30th. Happy Monday. Yes, I did say September 30th, but if you notice, ooh, we have a friend. I did not realize that he was not going to be quite so centered or off center, I guess. So we're going to kind of cover him up for most videos, but he's back there. And we have a little guy right over here, and we have a spider web. So it's Halloween month. So as you can see from the description down below, today we have the October 2019 My Paper Box Grand. So I'm going to go over the subscription and tell you about it, and we're going to open it and see what we got. I love this subscription. It is always so amazing. We get cards, we get stickers, notepads, journals, pins, all kinds of great stuff. We always get a calendar, and we get the calendar. Actually, the first time you sign up, you'll get a little frame with your name on it, because everything in this box is personalized. Yeah. And then every month you get a little calendar to put in your frame, and you also get a little sheet that kind of tells you how, there's like a day for everything. I am actually filming on Sunday the 29th, and today's actually National Coffee Day. What? So it tells you all about the different days. So they do have two different subscription levels. They do have this one, like I said, the Grand, and it is $28 a month, and they do have a mini subscription where you receive 3 different notepads every month for only $10. Those are also personalized, and they could be just plain lined or even unlined notepads, or they could be like shopping lists or different things, but they're personalized, so it's always fun. I have built up such an amazing stationery collection from this subscription. It is phenomenal. So let's get in here and see. The box is super cute. So I just realized I literally thought these were pictures of people, but they're like skulls, which is appropriate for October. So let's get this bad boy open. See what we got. There's always something, a message, a saying, something on when you first open it, and it says, if you got it, haunt it. That is cute. So then this is what I see here. This is on, well, this is on top, this item. And then we got some black tissue paper. And then I see all of this. Now, there's actually a card in here. So I'm gonna take a look at this. Oh, okay, so it's their birthday month. It's been 1 year, so it's got some coupon codes in there. But let's get into the actual box this month and see what we've got. What's happening in October? Happy October, our 1 year anniversary. I hope everyone has a spooky month. Our theme for this month is if you got it, haunt it. This month you will find, now this is the first time they've done this. This is really awesome. So it's actually going to like literally tell us everything that's in here. I'm not gonna go over that. But then this here is what I was talking about how it tells you like all the different days of. So we have like October 1st is International Coffee Day. Yay. October 4th, World Smile Day. October 4th is also Taco Day. October 10th is Handbag Day. October 11th, it's My Party Day. October 15th is I Love Lucy Day. October 20th, that is my dad's birthday. It also happens to be International Sloth Day. October 17th is Wear Something Gaudy Day. The 27th is American Beer Day. The 30th is Candy Corn Day. The 31st, it says Magic Day, but obviously we also know it is Halloween. So, and then it gives you different little ways you can celebrate the days. Oh, I'm October the 18th. I missed this. It's Friday. Chocolate Cupcake Day. So that's always fun. So we will reference this since it's telling us our items are right here. This is awesome. All right, so this is the personalized Halloween themed notepad and journal. So it has my name here, and then when you open it, then it just has blank pages, but you can kind of see the watermark back there with lines, but if you got it, haunt it. So that is great, and it's a really good size to like jot things down in. I really like that, and I think it's cute. It definitely goes with the theme. And then we have these are the Halloween stickers. Right here. So we have got a couple like this. We've got a couple different, we got two of these, two of these. I'm sorry, three of those. We have three of these. We have this guy. A couple of these. And then we have a couple here. That's like a little drink. Showed you that guy already. Showed you that guy already. So this was some more. Ooh, looks like a namaste skeleton. So we got some cute stickers. They're actually really cute. So this with the journal. And then here we have our card, or our calendar. So see, it says my name on the top, and if you got it, haunt it. And the good thing too is they also list all of the days here for you. So that's fun. So that'll be going into my frame. And then let's see, we have got, are these more stickers? I think these are more stickers, but these say my name. So like Nikki on that one. This one's actually really pretty. That one. And this one. And then we've got a set of fine, this says card making materials. 2 fun cards to color and decorate, and then we have the stickers, and then a set of fine line markers. This is really nice. It says drawing pins. You can see here the different colors. So it looks like a hot pink, brown, like a neon green, orange, and black. That's awesome. So we had the journal, and here is the notepad. Again, if you got it, haunt it. That's great. And then we have got, it says a fun take on a wedding card. Congrats on your wedding day. Now you don't have to die alone. That's I would think that was funny. I just wonder what some people may be like, what? But I think that's funny. And then we have 2 Halloween cards. Wait, 2 Halloween cards. So we've got Happy Halloween, blank on the inside, but handmade by Nikki is on the back. And they do come with the envelopes. And then this one says Trick or Treat. And again, blank on the inside, handmade by Nikki. And they each have, like I said, an envelope. So stick these back in their little bag. There's a lot in this box this month. It's got a really good variety. Now it looks like I maybe actually be missing something, unless I have like missed it somehow, but I don't think I have. But here we have, I'm guessing these are the card making materials, where you can decorate. This one says Happy Birthday. And again, it's blank inside, handmade by Nikki. Long time no taco. So those are cute. A set your party day invitation. See October 11th. Let's see. It's my party day. Have a party, of course. Send out invitations, decorate the venue, make all of your favorite party foods, put on some music, and let the party begin. Too tired to organize a party by yourself? What about meeting your friends at a restaurant or the park? Who says parties have to be at home? All right, so that is this right here. So that's fun. Oh, and there's quite a bit of them in here. You're invited to celebrate me, Nikki. Join me on, and then you can fill in the date at and the time. Let's join together and celebrate ourselves and our friendships. A simple gathering of friends to inspire and encourage each other's wishes and dreams. Oh, that's actually awesome. And it shows like a little cocktail, and the cocktails are on the back. And like I said, there's a decent number here. I would say at least 10, 12. So throw yourself a party. Now, it doesn't look like I'm missing one item. It says a personalized pencil bag to hold everything. That I do not see in here. So unless somehow I've just like overlooked it, but I've got the invitations, I've got the wedding card, the other cards, the stickers, the October month calendar, the notepad and the journal. Yep, I've got everything. So I'm missing the personalized pencil bag, but that's okay. So I think this still, even without getting that, was really good. I really liked it. I thought it was cute and fun and definitely appropriate for October. And I really like that we got the markers and the stickers and a journal, a notepad, and of course, like I said, our calendar. Then we got some other stickers that just have my name on them. You know, we got the wedding card, the invites to throw a party, and then we got some cards we can decorate and send out, and then 2 Halloween cards. So I still think it was a really good box. Let me know what you guys think down below. I hope you guys enjoyed, and again, have a wonderful week, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.